4:10. Boom! In the hour.
What was Gaga?
It's farm, we didn't do this. It's farm.
After
Kuma, there were so much gunshots which went around. So, I had to stand up near window in your bag because I knew which for sure Mangithi, ngabana consider I get confused and then when Zagalan. But eventually we went out.
This Gogo should actually have a copyright on this 10 past 4 situation, you guys. Listen, welcome to my channel, Kamala Montano Legend. On this channel, Kulumama reality TV shows, and my celebrities, Kahina, my YouTubers. Listen, sometimes in South Africa, it feels like every hour is a 10 past 4 moment, okay? 10 past 4 in hour, okay? So Moja Love people are reporting that Moja Love is going or planning to replace Xolani Khumalo with Nhlanhla. I don't know who made that decision, but somebody did. Okay, they thought, okay, this guy here, okay, can be replaced by this guy here. You know, let's forget about the 10 past 4 situation. How nice would it be when they get to the dealer's house and they're like, yeah, 10 past 4, 10 past 4. Where is it? Where is it? Anyway, this is what they're saying. South Africans are reacting with mixed sentiments to rumors that Moja Love might replace Xolani Khumalo with Nhlanhla on Sizozokthola. Okay. Moja Love, the popular TV channel that airs the debusting show, Sizozokthola, has recently announced that it has terminated the relationship with the show's presenter, Xolani Khumalo. The channel fired Xolani Khumalo because he failed to answer questions based or posed by the channel after it raised concerns and questioned him about his knowledge and involvement in the unlawful conduct that led to contamination of a crime scene, failed prosecution of a known lot and unfortunately tragedies that followed the filming of the specific Sizozokthola episodes. Khumalo is accused of killing Robert Very and alleged dealer during the filming of one of the episodes of Sizozokthola in July, you guys. So here it is. I don't know, guys. I don't feel good about this because Sizozokthola is my favorite show, but I don't know. If Sizozokthola is trying to avoid troubles by getting rid of Xolani and then hiring Nhlanhla, angazi. Okay, they were dealing with one case of I don't know how many they're going to have to deal with Nhlanhla in the mix. Okay, it says here. Meanwhile, rumors are circulating that Moja Love plans to replace Khumalo with another presenter. Nhlanhla Lax gained prominence as the leader of Operation Dudula, a group against illegal immigrants. The group also targeted dealers in communities. He is also a founder of Nhlanhla Foundation. I don't know what they're going to do with that because it seems like, okay, they don't like their presenters to be owning these foundations, okay, which host a military rehab boot camps for young addicts, okay. Lax has not confirmed or denied the rumors. Moja Love has also not commented on the rumors, and it has said it will continue to air Sizozokthola with a new presenter soon. Okay, he's probably already shooting. South Africans online expressed a mixed emotion about the rumors that Nhlanhla might replace Xolani Khumalo on Sizozokthola. Great. He has found employment at long last. So people are happy that at least he's going to be employed, okay? You should visit the port. I want to see something. Okay, someone that says a front to divert attention from the real crime. Xolani was not towing line and now found perfect candidate in this new post. Our channel is chasing numbers here, no merit. Okay, we must cancel that show. That's why they deserve. That's what they deserve for the treatment they gave to Xolani. Okay, I don't know if people will cancel the show, you guys, but I don't know if I want to watch it when Nhlanhla likes being the presenter. But it looks like some people are loving the decision that Moja Love has made. Okay, so it looks like it's going to be.
Usathane.
What was Sgaxa?
Isibhamu.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it before Pumegana, share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers. Nginithanda kakhulu.